and welcome to another episode of OtherBuys. So today we've got some USB-C to Lightning cables. So the reason I got these is I've got a new Apple Watch and the charger cable comes with a USB-C port. So I've got a charger, like plug socket, with a USB-C port on it to charge my Apple Watch, but it's also got a spare port. So I thought I'd use that to charge my iPhone, because at the moment I've got a standard USB-C charging cable. So these USB-C chargers are supposed to be able to charge up to 3 times faster when you're using a 20-watt charger. So mine's got 20 watts, it's 40 watts, it's got two 20-watt sockets. So I got these off Amazon. So the 2-pack of 2-meter braided cables, roughly around £6 to £7. There's a link in the bio if you want to get yourself a pair. So here we go, nice and braided, should be pretty secure. As you can see, there's your lightning adapter or socket, and there's your USB-C socket. So yeah, should charge about 3 times faster. 2-pack, 2 meter, so I can have a little bit of a scroll on my phone before bed, even though it's not good for you. So yeah, if you like the product, you want to get yourself some, there's a link in the bio, £7 from Amazon. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and we're also on the socials: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Lemonade, Twitter, so you can find us on there as well. Thanks guys.